Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of AdoreBox. So if you guys don't know what AdoreBox is, it is a monthly subscription service and it is $15 a month. And then you get, I believe it's around 5 products a month, and they just send it to you in this cute little bag. So adorable. So if you guys are interested in this video, then continue watching. And if you guys want to learn a little bit more about AdoreBox, then I'm going to leave the link down below and everything so you can check it out. But I want to make this video short, simple, and sweet. So before we jump into the actual unboxing, I just want to ask you guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get me to 300 subscribers, guys. 300 subscribers, I have a really good giveaway and I'm so darn excited. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you hit the post notification bell, you can get notified of all of my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But without further ado, let's just get right on into this video, guys. Okay, so I did open it already, as you guys can see, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it out, and then in that you do get this. So it does come like closed, super cute, and all you do is just open it up and then you have your goodies in here. So I'm just going to take them all out. And then, like most subscription boxes, one thing that I really love and appreciate that they do is they give a little sheet, and it kind of just tells you what's in the box. But they also actually introduced something new. I think I've never even heard of this. This is the AdoreBox quarterly premium box. It ships January, April, July, and October, and you get 4 to 10 full-size items, and it's priced at $39.99. That's something new. I don't think they had this last month when I did this, so that's awesome. But basically, they just tell you what is in the box, and then they just give you a breakdown of prices and stuff. So first thing I'm just going to grab is a little face mask. You guys know I'm obsessed with face masks. I love them. They are like my holy grail, kind of. I probably do at least one face mask a week minimum. So this one retails for $2.99. super affordable. All the products in AdoreBox are super affordable, and I really appreciate and love that, because sometimes you can get so caught up in the high-end scheme of things. I mean, I know I do sometimes, that I forget about some drugstore stuff. So it's kind of really awesome that they just bring you back down and they're like, no, drugstore and affordable makeup is where it's at too. There are so many brands that I love that are affordable, and so this retails for $2.99. This is a skincare brand, Holika. It helps to restore the skin's protective barrier. Can be found at retailers such as Amazon and Ulta Beauty. So this is awesome. I really like how I can find this on Amazon or Ulta, because that's basically where I shop a lot. So the next thing that I have, this is a mascara. This is Romantic Beauty Mascara, and this retails for $5.99, and this is supposed to give awesome volume to your lashes. And you guys know, I love volume. I love mascaras. I'm like the queen of mascaras. I have so many mascaras, so I love testing out new mascaras, and I've actually never heard of this brand before, Romantic Beauty, so really excited to test that out. Then the next thing I have is Beauty Basics, and this retails for $8. This is a full size. This is the shade Sweet Taffy, and I think that color is just so darn pretty. So this is a foiled eyeshadow, so it's highly pigmented, buttery soft shadow, no fallout, no creasing, just silky smooth, ultra blending perfection. And you can find this on Amazon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, ooh, that feels really soft. That feels really soft. So it is pretty light, but let me, ooh, that looks pretty though. That's like a pretty all over the lid type of color. That's very pretty. I do like that. I do like how it's foiled. I think it's pretty. I think that's a very pretty color. The next thing I have, this is a Crown Pro blush brush. I was literally just thinking about how I need a new blush brush, and I do love the brand Crown. So this is what the brush looks like. It is pretty flat, so I don't know if I would use this for blush. I mean, I guess, but I would probably use this for more contour. just because of the shape of it. I feel like I could get that nice, really slim line. Also, there is no tutorial on the makeup look that I am wearing today. I kind of just threw it on and went about my day. So no makeup look for today's look, but if you guys are interested, I could definitely make a tutorial for you guys. So let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in that. But anywho, back to the brush. So this retails for $12. So it's a soft brush, can be used as an under eye powder brush, bronzer, and more. So yeah, I feel like this would also be really good for underneath the eye and kind of just sweeping across the bake. But I would probably use this for bronzer, I feel like, or contour. I feel like this is a very good contour brush. Blush, I really don't know. I like more of a fluffier brush when I kind of do blush, so I don't think I would be using this for blush, but I do like that. Another thing that I do like, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is that little indent. I really like that because it makes like holding it so much easier, and I think that's so darn cool. Like, it also has a little indent right over here too, if you guys can see. So literally, like, where your fingers should go is where the indents are, and I think that's so cool. That's awesome. I've actually never seen a brush like do that. The next thing that I have is Soul Goodness Blister Protector Foot Balm. Oh my god, I'm so darn excited for this one, guys. So this retails for $18.75. Wow, okay. This is the deluxe sample, the 0.2 ounces, but they also have the 0.3 ounces, which is the full size, and that one retails for $18.75. So this one's probably a little bit lower, but anyway, this is really great for the fall, or if you do have like new shoes that you're trying to break in, just pop this on, and I feel like that is great. So I'm actually really excited for this. I usually get blisters, so I'm really excited to test that out. I mean, 'tis this season. My mules always give me blisters, so really exciting. And the last thing, which I think is so darn cute, this is by Sally Hansen. This is the 3D design full size nail art, and this retails for $7.99. And all you do is you kind of just, you guys could see the design, like you take the sticker and then you just put it on your nail, and I think that's so cool. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did say I wanted to start doing my nails at home, so I'm kind of letting these grow out a little bit more, but I definitely want to start doing my nails at home. I got a kit off of Amazon, so I'm really excited to use this and see how this works for me. So let me just tally up the overall price of this box and then just tell you guys my final thoughts. So this box came in at $55.72. And in this box, you basically pay $15 a month. So I feel like it was totally worth it. You got $55 worth of products and you only paid $15. And something that I also just want to state is that I did have to put in the size for the full size of this. So the full size is 0.3 ounces. As I said, this is only 0.2, but they only gave me the price of $18.75, which is for the full size, so it might be a little bit lower. So even if it is $50 for the overall total of this box, I feel like you only pay $15 for the box, and I feel like it's a really good steal. So I love how there's different things, like you got the eyeshadow, you got the blister, you got like the makeup, you got like the skincare, and then you even got a brush. Like, I don't know, I feel like that's just awesome. I really do like how there are different options for this box, and I like how affordable it is, and it kind of just brings you back down to, okay, there's affordable makeup that kind of rocks, and it kind of just expands my knowledge of affordable makeup and basically just different brands that I've never heard of before. So I'm super excited, and I do just want to state that I did not pay for this box. Adore Me did gift me this box to do a little unboxing and review for you guys. So I'm so happy and so excited and so grateful that they decided to work with me. So just wanted to let you guys know that. But anyway, that is the end of this video, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty. And if you hit the post notification bell, you can get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. But I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!